Hey, today we're going to show you how to put mud flaps on a 2018 Subaru WRX. Subi-Doo, for those of you don't know this car yet.
This is the new Divine Speed.
This is the new to Divine Speed, the Subi-Doo. This is the very first thing you've done to it, is put mud flaps on it?
Tint the windows today too.
Oh, yeah. Tint the windows. Ooh, okay. So the mud flaps are pretty easy. Oh, where'd you get them from?
Amazon.
Amazon. Okay. So they are Amazon Rally. Same ones that old boy uses. Ken Block. Yeah, that's his name. So the front ones, yeah, you just turn the tires. Did it come with the hardware, this kit? Yeah, it came with the screws and washers. Yeah, except for, what is this one on the inside? Is that just a push-in clip thing? Okay, so that's the factory push-in style retainer. The rear ones are a little harder. There's this. Was that just a plastic retainer too?
Yeah, but you gotta put these plastic clips in there.
Let's see it.
I mean, you could.
Okay. Got to put these in there, but obviously you can't turn the tire to get it out of the way, so we had to take the tire off, and so now we can put these flaps on.
What you gotta take off, what you gotta do.
Okay.
The kit's real descriptive. I mean.
So one of the new retainers in the kit goes there, the other one there, and let me see these Instructables.
It's got this little piece here goes up from the bottom with what that L bracket goes on. You gotta bend these brackets a little bit to get them pushed back away from the tire, but they're really pretty easy to bend. So.
Oh, is that the one you've already got on there?
Yeah.
Oh, this one here.
Yeah.
Okay. And then is that just? I don't know if it's in it or not. Hope so. And then these are the instructions. Okay. That's simple enough.
So far.
Proceed.
Not enough.
Yeah.
And see how it's laying up on top of this?
Yeah.
It needs to kind of lay down in there, I think. I can't even get the screw to really.
Oh, so that little flap's just.
Yeah, see what I mean? It just. Unless there's two more long screws.
Can't push it back in here any further.
Have to be trimmed a little bit.
So we're going to trim this right here.
The mud flap, yeah.
The mud flap itself to get this to lay back in the spot where it's supposed to be, so we can start it. Start the screw. Wait, what's up with it? It's up against that spacer.
Is it?
Yeah.
Flat?
Almost. Like it's barely a gap here.
Well, it only sent a couple of these long bolts. It sent some.
Like I don't know what's actually keeping it from turning, if it's cross-threaded or...
Well, it's just a rubber or a plastic insert.
Oh.
It wouldn't cross-thread. We'll scratch.
Okay, here's one of the rear flaps on. This screw goes to the metal bracket, and these ones go in factory. No, they go into factory holes, but they send you a little plastic retainer, don't they? And then this rear one gets a spacer in behind it, and it's another one of their retainers also. So that's done. That's how easy that is. We throw the back tire back on, go to the other side, and then we're entering Rallycross Stage 1. Good job. We're all impressed. Alright, look how simple this is. This is a nifty little retaining clip. It goes right in here. Of course, I don't know how to do it one-handed. Using my wrong hand. Anyways, then you pull these two out. What did you use to pull them out?
There's the Christmas push pin plastic rivet. Or nail those pliers, pull them out.
Okay, nail those pliers, pull them out. These go in their place. It just pushes in the hole, and then that gives the new screws something to hold on to. And then the other little white square thing. Alright. There's another. Is it just a screw on the bottom?
It's just a factory hole. It's already there.
Oh, it's a factory hole already down there. push this in its place, and then that gives that little metal bracket something to screw to. Okay. You look like you've done this before.
Just on one side.
Like a danged old professional. Oh, I wasn't recording. So there's a little white retainer. It goes into a factory hole. Didn't have to take anything out. You just shove it in there. I just seen Wisdom drive by.
Wizard.
Wizard. What other famous people drive Subarus now?
All of them, probably.
Probably all of them. I bet he has mud. Bet they have mud flaps too. Oh, every one of them. Tom Cruise probably.
Of course, Tom Cruise does. Why wouldn't he?
Spacer goes behind that hole. You shove the bolt in. And
That one.
That
one and that one.
Oh, okay, that one and this one. All right.
Which we lost once. We had to use a nut.
Yeah, we used an ARP nut on one of them.
Trying to gain all the horsepower we can.
Use an ARP fastener on the wrong side of a mud flap. Look at that. It's on. Done. No mistakes, no bloopers, no gay porn. Make sure you torque your nuts. We're torquing these at 75 foot-pounds. Not really sure if that's the right spec, but that's what we're going with on an aluminum wheel. And then it's done. We're done. We're gonna go find snow, and actually it's supposed to snow tomorrow night, isn't it? So it looks really good. I was on the fence about the mud flaps to begin with, but now I like these ones. These are nice. The link to these mud flaps from Amazon are in the description below. Just click on it, add it to your cart, buy them, tell us how you like them. (2018) Subaru Impreza
WRX.
WRX.
Yeah, just WRX.
This is a 2018 Subaru WRX, and it is so spacious. So spacious!